Now feet together. Take a few deep breaths, faster and faster, faster and faster. Eyes open, faster and faster, faster and faster, faster and faster, faster and faster, faster and faster. Fast, yeah, slow, faster and faster. And sleep. Lose limb for a night, lose limb for a night. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Completely lose limb for a night. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Now for the next 5 minutes, every time I touch on your shoulder here and say the word sleep, you will close your eyes and drop down into deep state of relaxation. Go 10 times deeper and faster than before. Every time I touch here and say the word sleep now, you will close your eyes and drop down into deep state of relaxation. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep now, very deeply relaxed. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep now, very deeply relaxed. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. I am removing this, it will not work. Now, this technique, because थोड़ा लंबा मैं अनकम्फर्टेबल था करने में, ये दुबला था बोल के लिया, अगर मोटा होता तो नहीं लेता मैं, क्योंकि समटाइम द पर्सन कम सो फास्ट, मैंने नहीं पकड़ा, मैं भी साथ में नीचे जाता था, हो चुका है मेरे साथ.